Hello everyone, this is my day 2. Today I want to introduce myself a little bit. I am Ujala, a computer science postgraduate with a strong interest in tech field. I am from Uttar Pradesh but currently I am living in Bangalore. I came here to build my career and find better opportunity. For me, English is important because in today's world, English is needed for almost everything. Whether is it for a job or giving interview or for communicating with people, English is play important role. And sometimes I feel nervous while speaking, but I know this is the part of the learning process, and that's why I am practicing every day. And I believe I will speak one day fluently and confidently. Thank you for listening. See you on day 2.